Every child has the right to health, the right to an education, the right to be treated equally, the right to be protected, and the right to participate in matters that affect them. However, the reality is different for African children. Africa is known for high levels of child mortality, hunger, HIV/AIDS, illiteracy, poverty, child abuse, and exploitation. Moreover, the African child sometimes has to grapple with some cultural practices that tend to affect the child negatively. Here in Kilgoris, Transmara, U.S. Ambassador to Kenya Michael Ranibaga joined in the calls to end some of these practices.
And it's important when we think about FGM to realize the harm that it can cause to young girls who are subjected to it.
Ranibaga called on the Kenyan government to take action to protect women and girls against female genital mutilation, a common practice in the area. But fighting FGM is only one part of what the government should do to improve the welfare of the Kenyan children. The communities themselves should openly discuss customs, beliefs and attitudes which affect the children negatively in order to equip them with skills to protect themselves. The International Day of the African Child has always been marked on the 16th of June every year since 1991, and it looks at the success stories and the failures of protecting the African child.